Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can clone a GitHub repository. To get started, open github.com in your web browser and go to the repository you want to clone. Once you're there, click on the green Code button at the top of the repository page. A pop-up will appear under the HTTPS section. Copy the repository link by clicking the copy icon. Next, open File Explorer on your computer and create a new folder where you want the repository to be cloned. For example, I'll create a sample folder. Now, open Git Bash or Command Prompt on Windows. If you're on Mac or Linux, you can use Terminal. Navigate to the folder you just created using the cd command. To do this, copy the folder path, then type cd followed by the path in your command prompt and press enter. Once you're inside the correct directory, type the following command: git clone repository URL. Paste the repository link you copied earlier in place of repository URL and press enter. This will create a new folder named after the repository and download all of its files into it. If you check inside your chosen folder, you'll see the cloned repository with all its contents. And that's it. You've successfully cloned a GitHub repository to your local machine. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.